Today we're doing another graveyard. I had to think about that. Whenever there's a church on a premises, it's a graveyard. Without a church, it's a cemetery. I think it should be the other way around. But it is hot, hot, hot today. And we're here, not even sure what town we're in. We're in St. Martin Cemetery. All I had to do was just look up, guys. We're going to zigzag around and look at some of the old tombstones. This will not be a long video today, because like I said, it is hot. But I see a metal tombstone. I don't think I've ever seen a metal one before. This might be the first one I've ever seen. Let's go up and get a better look. The sun is in my eyes, so I can't rightfully read that. But holy, oh, that is sharp looking. Oh my gosh. And I got good old Kit with me, and he's pulling me like a son of a gun. Wow, look at some of these tombstones. Oh, wow. I like it here. I really do. Look how old this one is. Jeez. Can't even read the writing on that one, or the one down below. There's a breeze up here. I'm thankful for that. I'm very thankful, because it is hot today. Guys, I'm telling you, it's the first, well, I can't say that, yeah, the first hottest day of the year. Yeah, and what's making it bad, that humidity. Now, I'm going to go over to this tree stump. I have one of my subscribers left me something in the comments about the tree stumps. Shoot, if I could remember exactly what she said. Something about a company that makes these. They represent something. 1892. That's a beautiful one, though. Holy smokes. How you doing, dear?
Fine.
Now, that side right over yonder there, that's the new side. And if I ain't making you dizzy, right over yonder there's mixed with new and old. And I see another metal tombstone right there. Right over here's another metal one. Angie, see if you get any reading off this.
Okay.
This one's a little different. This one, I believe, it looks like Jesus may be on this one. Oh my gosh, it is. Holy smokes.
Adolf Shoe.
Okay, we're gonna
1879.
zoom down a little bit, guys. Whoop, wrong way. Hold on, let's go down. Get you guys get a look at that, and I kind of work myself up a little bit. Wow. Holy smokes. What year was that again?
1907 was when he was buried.
Oh, 1907. Okay, we're going to zigzag over on the right side. You can see my Defiant parked right there. We gave her a bath today. She was dirty. We've been in a lot of places, guys. A lot of places I have not got on video. Been fishing 2 other times I have not got on video. And we may be fishing again tomorrow night. And definitely after that. Kit, what are you doing? Oh, why are you wanting to roll around on the ground? You guys want to see Kit? Let's get Kit on here. Sometimes I worry when I go into cemeteries or graveyards like this. Is somebody going to get mad at me because I'm bringing my dog with me? I mean, if he does go poo, I will clean up the waste. But some people might not like a dog being in a cemetery. I do worry about that. Okay, we're going to zigzag on around. And like I said, this ain't going to be a long video today by any means. But wow, this place is beautiful. We found this place the other day coming home from my nephew's campsite. And as we drove by it, we made a note, we got to come back here and visit it. So that's what we doing now. Where I think I already got these graves. But that's exactly what we're doing. Come back here and visit it. Yeah. What's that, hon?
I'm gonna walk over this way for a second.
Okay. She's gonna go over that way for a little bit. Oh, right there is a swing set. And right here, that's part of the church, at least I think it is. And right back yonder there, that is, whoops, let me swing this up. Sorry about that, guys. That is the church. Well, not only I washed my car, I moved my grass today too in this heat. I'm a little bit, just a little bit off my game right now. What I mean by that is, I don't know. I could be a little bit more productive on the video, but right now I got a dog pulling the crap out of me. Kid, we're gonna have a talk. Listen to me. I know you want to go down to mom, but you need to be under my control. You ain't allowed doing that. Mr. Kid's been very naughty for the last 2 days. I have no idea what crawled in him. Well, that didn't sound right. I have no idea what's going on in his head sometimes. But he's been very naughty. So we're going to go on to the new side a little bit, you know? Sometimes we should mix the new with the old. Why not, right? That's a beautiful monument right yonder. Isn't it? And there's my awesome wife. She's over here by this big, huge tree. You know, my father, all he had to do was look at leaves and tell you what kind of trees they are. I'm wanting to say that might be maple. What do I know, though? And not to mention, we are a little bit out of our elements. We're not, like, really far from home, but we are not from this area. You know, it's not a shade tree. Kit, would you quit pulling me, Bubby? And I'm still waiting for somebody to come up. Why do you have your dog in a graveyard? What if your dog pees on one of the graves? They got a point. I want to show you some scenery real quick. Don't know if you can see this, but look at this view right here. Nothing for miles and miles. That's beautiful. I would zoom into it, but nah. I just hope you guys can see it in the video. And we're just going to do a swinging around, a pan around. And pretty much this might conclude today's video. We'll do a little talksy on the way back to the car. And I hope you guys like it. I will get more graveyards longer in the future. But today, like I said, it's hot. Funny thing is, right by this shade tree, it's nice and cool. Nice and cool. Yeah, in the future, we will be doing more graveyards and cemeteries, obviously. We're going to be getting some fishing on here. And I might end up getting some of these lakes out to my nephew and niece's campsite. We went out there recently, and hold on, Kit, I gotta scratch my elbow. And it wasn't feasible, not the days we went out. So that's coming, and lots of other stuff. I'm just going to let the camera roll, and what I see, you guys see, and you guys are coming with me. And Angie, or me and my son Damien, or anybody else I go with. Just going to turn the camera on, just go with it. That's what I'm going to be doing most this summer. All right, guys, I am hot and I'm tired, and holy, I've had all I can handle today. Catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments down below, and we'll see you next time.